Ready?
3, 2, 1.
That second line.
Okay, second line.
Got it. Whoa, eat lunch. Backwards.
That's okay. That's okay.
So, I want you to raise your hand and tell me something you learned about this exercise that we did. Jace.
It might not always work.
Might not always work. And that's what we do in testing and engineering and development, right? They test it, they build a prototype, and it don't work, so they go back to the drawing board and they tweak it and make it a little better, and maybe it works, but maybe not as good, and that's part of engineering. Eloise.
The fabric you have to sew through is really hard to sew.
That was pretty tough fabric, huh? Emily.
That you get a lot of marker on your hand.
You do when you do a lot of coloring. Randy.
That when you build it, you have to work with your team.
That's right. This was very much a team project. And think about people who build and engineer cars. Is that a one-person job?
No.
No, that's a whole big factory team. So lots of teamwork. So I hope you guys had fun learning and doing this project. Even if they all didn't maybe go forward like they're supposed to, I think we learned a lot. And working together as a team, I think we learned a lot.
We made the farthest.
And you guys made the farthest. But your design didn't fully have the full trebuchet design because you didn't have it swinging. You had it stuck to the top. So that's a little bit what gave you the edge.
It was more a catapult.
It was more of a catapult, yeah. Emily.
It's a trebuchet.
That didn't learn anything. That's telling me what you made.
Well, you have to.
Quiet, careful.
You have to say, or you have to think of like what the design's gonna be, so how it works.
Okay. Maybe go forward like they're supposed to. I think we learned a lot. And working together as a team, I think we learned a lot.
We made the farthest.
And you guys made the farthest. But your design didn't fully have the full trebuchet design because you didn't have it swinging. You had it stuck to the top. So that's a little bit what gave you the edge.
It was more a catapult.
It was more of a catapult.
It was a catapult.
That's going to be a good blooper for the end of my video.
Oh.